Iglidur Tribo-Resins are 3D printing materials that can be processed quickly and easily on common DLP and LCD printers. In contrast to conventional 3D printing resins on the market, they offer 30 to 60 times higher wear resistance in addition to their outstanding mechanical properties. Due to the high resolution of the 3D printing process, filigrane components with the finest details can be produced, which are also self-lubrication and low maintenance. In this video we show you the most important steps for preparing and handling our Tribo-Resins so that your printing process runs safely and successfully. As resin can be harmful to health, protective measures are essential. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to avoid skin and eye contact. Work in a well-ventilated area or use an extraction device to reduce vapors. Before we start printing, let's take a look at the processing instructions for our resin. These vary from printer to printer. Due to the process, the parameters are not the same between DLP and LCD. But even with the same process, the parameters differ from different system manufacturers. On our homepage, you will find processing instructions for DLP and LCD systems, which you can use as a guide. Now we prepare the printer and the resin tank. Check that the tank is clean and free of residue, as impurities can affect the printing result. The build platform should also be free of residue. A soft microfiber cloth that does not lose threads and isopropanol as a cleaning agent are suitable for cleaning. For printers that have an adjustable build platform, you should ensure in advance that this is correctly calibrated. Otherwise, there may be adhesion problems during printing. If the resin is already in the tank, make sure that it is a homogeneous mass. If this is not the case, stir the resin with a soft spatula until the mass is homogeneous. If the resin tank is still empty, shake the resin in the bottle before pouring it into the tank. This guarantees a homogeneous structure for optimum printing results. As soon as everything is set, you can start the printing process. The printer cures the resin layer by layer by exposing it to UV light. Depending on the model, parameters and printer, this can take different lengths of time. Once printing is complete, the printing platform should be positioned at an angle above the resin tank. This ensures that as much resin as possible can run off and be reused. A spatula with a sharp blade can be used to remove the parts from the building platform. With this, the components can be removed from the platform without much force and without causing defects. It makes sense to wash the components that are still covered in liquid resin in 2 or 3 stages, depending on how well the resin can be removed. We recommended an ultrasonic tank with isopropanol for the best cleaning results, especially for components with narrow channels. The pre-wash removes the most of the resin residue and the second wash removes the final residue. After washing, the components should be allowed to dry completely before they are hardened. Make sure that all resin and isopropanol residues have been removed from gaps, channels and holes, as these may harden and seal the geometric elements. To improve the strength and surface quality, the component must then be hardened. To do this, place it in a UV chamber and set the post-curing time according to the processing instructions. The part is now ready. With the right preparation and careful execution of the printing process, you will achieve optimum results. If you have any questions, we will be happy to help you at any time. If you do not have a resin printer available, please contact us. We will produce your components for you within 3 working days. You can simply use our Iglidur designer and order your part from us from a quantity of 1. You will find the link to the Iglidur designer in the video description. Just upload your part, select the desired quantity and material, and we will manufacture your part within 3 working days. We have also created a video for this process, which is linked in the video description. Happy printing!